Hey guys, so I would say there's probably 6 things that you need to know before you install this 4-inch rough country lift. So the first thing I ran into was the brake line bracket doesn't fit the new knuckle. So the issue is that you're gonna need to make a bracket to fit the old mount, because there's no way that you can bend or break or cut whatever to make it fit just the way that the mount is shaped. It will not fit on the knuckle. There's no way to make it work. Second thing, bump stops for the control arms. When you mount those onto the frame, the old frames were smooth. These frames have like an extended weld that come out. So what you're gonna have to do to make these bump mounts sit flush is you're gonna have to grind or cut off or do whatever you want to make it flush again, so you can put these bump stops flush to your frame. Third, skid plate. The skid plate holes do not match up to anything other than the control arm that comes with the rough country lift. The holes up front, if you have a Tacoma, you know when you do an oil change, you can drop your skid plate, hang the front down. The front of the new skid plate will not match up with any of the hangers. It also will not match up to any of your frame holes in the front. From what I can tell, there's no way to make this skid plate work on the front end. I'm not sure exactly what you can do, but 4, sway bar. When you install the sway bar relocation brackets, the sway bar will sit on your frame. When I first lifted this truck and took it out, I was hearing some clunking in the front end, couldn't figure out what it was. I looked, the sway bar was directly on the frame. I still have my 2017 sitting in the yard, so I went and looked at that. There would be enough room in that truck to support the relocation kit. So like I said again, this 2016 to 2018 kit will work for those years. It will not work for this new truck, so I deleted my sway bar. 5, the front differential doesn't fit exactly flush as I would like it to. It does sit a little bit forward, so I imagine there's going to be some extra strain on the differential, so I'll probably be replacing bearings there in the future. And finally, 6, customer service. There's no customer service. The guy that I got the lift from, he's in Ontario, I believe. I don't know if I'll share the details, but I asked him for a contact for rough country, because I wanted to let them know some of this stuff doesn't fit, and especially like skid plate. But he just said, well, re-drill the holes. Yes, you can, but I mean, if you look at the picture in the video, you can re-drill holes, but you're still gonna have they need to redesign it for the 2021s. They should not be selling these 2016 to 2018 kits for a 2021 truck. It's just how it should be. I've emailed Rough Country themselves, and I still have not heard back. It's been over a week now, so I may call them after I post this video, because I'm not happy with their customer service. I'm not happy they branded, well, they're selling a 2016 to 2018 lift for 2021. There are a few things that need to be fixed, so hopefully this video will help you guys with your install. The 4-inch lift does look great. It is a pretty straightforward lift to put in, but there is a few things that you should know before you buy this kit for your new truck. Peace.